Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Studies reveal that children raised in rural settings with animals and nature develop stronger immune systems and face fewer mental health risks compared to urban children lacking pet exposure. A diver found a $5,000 wedding ring that had been lost for 5 years and returned it to its owner. Drinking coconut water regularly helps you lose weight, reduce cramps, and improves heart while providing you with vitamins and minerals. A cement truck crashed near Winganon, Oklahoma in the 1950s and the mixer was too heavy to move. It's still there and locals have painted it to look like an abandoned space capsule. The cause of facial redness when embarrassed or angry is temporarily paralysis that affects the nerves. The Galapagos pink iguana can only be found on the slopes of one volcano on one island. While apes have learned sign language and can respond to questions, they have never posed a question on their own. Researchers believe that the capacity to ask questions is a significant distinction between apes and humans. Seoul has more convenience stores per capita than almost any other city, with a 7-Eleven or GS25 on nearly every corner. 87% of people secretly rehearse arguments in the shower that will never happen. France has more roundabouts than any other country. Number of teens who don't enjoy life has doubled thanks to social media, study says. South Korea has special emergency taxi services for drunk people. People fall in love faster when they share secrets. Mongolia has no address system but uses 3-word GPS. Even baby spiders can release silk into the air and let the wind carry them far away. Augustus, Rome's first emperor, believed that the name influenced fate. He avoided the name Romulus because Romulus had a tragic death in myth. Instead, he chose Augustus, meaning revered one. Scientists say the human heart works on its own with very little influence from the brain. German police wearing chainmail armor to protect against knives. We are more attracted to people who make us feel understood. The US is on track to set a new record for homeless people with 772,000 living on the streets. Industrial mueslis often contain more sugar than you think, even the healthy variants. Indian man rescued these kittens during a flood. Their mother swam behind them. This is a rusty spotted cat. It is the smallest wild cat in Asia and weighs a maximum of just 3.5 pounds. Frequent dizziness, especially if it comes with chest pain, irregular heartbeat, or fainting, get checked for heart issues, anemia, or neurological disorders. The world's first human trial of a tooth regenerating drug will begin soon, following successful animal tests, while the drug grew new teeth without significant side effects. Unexplained mood swings, if persistent or severe, it may indicate treatable mental health issues. It may also indicate hormonal imbalances, thyroid issues, PCOS, etc. US slips to its lowest ranking ever in the World Happiness Report. The US ranked 24th in the annual World Happiness Report. In South Korea, it's illegal to write someone's name in red ink because it symbolizes death. Elephants are afraid of bees So, African farmers are putting beehives at the edge of their farms to keep elephants out. Crickets provide 65 to 70% protein by dry weight, far exceeding beef's protein content, which ranges from 17 to 40%. A French girl attending the grave of a British soldier, France 1944, in Holland, Belgium, and many small villages in northern France. Elementary school kids adopt an Allied soldier's grave and care for it for life. There are two different types of nostalgia. Restorative nostalgia is when you feel like things used to be better and you long to relive the past, and reflective nostalgia is when you feel wistful about how different things used to be but you maintain a sense of amused acceptance. Before the invention of the golden snitchet, a fast and difficult to catch bird, was used in Quidditch games, but its hunting was banned to preserve the species because it was always killed as an alternative. Bowman Wright created the golden snitch. Pocket forest, savior of our cities. Pollution is choking our cities, making the air unbreathable. Temperatures are soaring, turning urban areas into heat traps. Green spaces are disappearing, leaving behind lifeless concrete. Biodiversity is vanishing with birds and pollinators in decline. In this crisis, pocket forests are emerging as saviors. They absorb CO2, purify air, and reduce urban heat. They restore lost biodiversity, bringing nature back. Even tiny spaces can grow 300 plus trees in months. Thanks for watching.